Hi, in this video, I will guide you about how to do year-end process and start the new financial year in Accounts Easy on Cloud HQ. If your HO Accounts Easy on Cloud is enabled with the immediate reflection method, it is highly recommended to perform the year-end process from Accounts Easy on Cloud for accounts. Before proceeding, ensure that your accounts audit is completed for the previous financial year to facilitate a seamless transition to the new financial year, which is 2025 to 2026. Now let's see how to do year-end process in HO. Go to Accounts and select Accounts Easy. Now click on Tools module and select Year-end process. Here, in the location name, use the Enter key to select the appropriate outlet location based on accounts audit completion. You can select HQ location to execute year-end process only in that particular outlet, or else you can select All to execute the year-end process for all the location including HO, which will carry forward the balances to the next financial year. Now, select the transaction year, which is the last financial year. After selecting the transaction year, the year begin date for the next financial year will be uploaded automatically. Now, select the profit and loss account ledger in profit and loss ledger. Here, in force year end, type Y and click on Run Year End Process. Now you will be getting a notification that Force Year End will delete all the existing opening balances for the new transaction year. If you want to continue the operation, then click on OK. Now you will be getting a successful message that year end completed successfully. For year end verification process, you can check and verify the details of opening balance entry, ledger report, and payment or receipt entry screen. To check the year-end status, you can go to Report module and select More option, select Exceptional Reports and choose Year-end Advice Report. This is how you can do year-end process in Accounts Easy on Cloud HQ. Thanks for watching this video.